Okay, so bí ag léamh an Crann. So féachar an Crann seo. Tá an Crann seo ag ahrú. Okay, ag ahrú trí na séasúirí, changing through the seasons. So tá mis chun fécant an Crann i rig gach séasúr during each season agus na rudaí a tarlíonn dó and things that happen to it. Okay, so féach an saoire, which is the summer. So these are our spellings this week, the seasons, na séasúirí. An saoire, okay, the summer, an saoire. So I want you to just read this. I'm going to do an example of it now, and then I would really love you to send me a voice message of you reading it. Okay, it would be great. It's important to practice your Gaeilge out loud, os ord, okay, because the best way to improve your fluency is to speak it out loud. Okay, just like in your English, you should be practicing reading out loud as often as you can. That is what will improve your fluency. Okay, so an saoire. I'm going to read it through without stopping, then I'm going to go through what different things mean, and then I'm going to read through it again. Okay, an saoire. Fásan de lóga an Crann sa saoire. An fór. Titan de lóga den Crann san óir. An gheimhre. Ní bhíonn de lóga an Crann sa gheimhre. Bíonn an Crann lum sa gheimhre. An tarach. Fásan bachlóga an Crann san arach. Fásan bachlóga an Crann san arach. Okay, so an saoire, summer. Fásan de lóga, so fásan, like fás is growing, so fásan is the present tense of to grow, so leaves grow. Fásan de lóga an Crann sa saoire, leaves grow on the tree in summer. On fór, the autumn. Titan de lóga, okay, so it is the present tense of falling, so titan de lóga, leaves fall. Den Crann, from the tree, san óir. So titan de lóga den Crann san óir, leaves fall from the tree in autumn. An gheimhre, winter. Ní bhíonn de lóga an Crann sa gheimhre. There does be no leaves on the tree in winter. Bíonn an Crann lum sa gheimhre. The tree is bare in winter. Bíonn an Crann lum sa gheimhre. Now, there's a difference between saying bíonn and tá. Okay, so bíonn is the present continuous, which means something that is true all the time. Okay, so you would we might say in Irish, I do be. The trees do be bare. The trees do be bare. So it is something that is true like all the time. So they are always bare in winter. Bíonn. Okay, tá is something that's happening just now. Okay. So you might say, tá ucras I am hungry. Okay, because once I eat, I'm not going to be hungry anymore. Okay, tá sé fór, it's cold. Okay, now you might say, bíonn sé fór sa gheimhre, it does be cold. So it's always cold. But just a slight little difference there. Okay, so bíonn an Crann lum sa gheimhre, so the tree does be bare in winter. An tarach, spring. Fásan bachlóga, so fásan is grow. Fásan bachlóga, so buds grow an Crann san arach. Buds grow on the tree in spring. Okay, so Arish, go topic, nice and quick. An saoire. Fásan de lóga an Crann sa saoire. An fór. Titan de lóga den Crann san óir. An gheimhre. Ní bhíonn de lóga an Crann sa gheimhre. Bíonn an Crann lum sa gheimhre. An tarach. Fásan bachlóga an Crann san arach. pronoun.